First line. Christmas is my favorite festival of the year. Second line. I celebrate Christmas on the 25th of December with great joy. Third line. I clean and decorate my house with lights and a Christmas tree. Fourth line. I decorate the tree with stars, bells, and colorful balls. Fifth line. On Christmas Eve, I pray to God and thank Him. Sixth line. I wear new clothes and go to church with my family. Seventh line. We sing Christmas carols and enjoy the festive atmosphere. Eighth line. I share gifts and sweets with my friends and relatives. Ninth line. We prepare delicious food and cakes at home. 10th line. Christmas teaches us love, peace, and sharing happiness.